You've probably heard enough about Tesla's solar panels in recent years that you're wondering if they're any good and efficient. Are you considering installing solar energy in your home or in your commercial establishment? And this time you want to know if Tesla panels live up to their name. Are there better options for solar energy? What is it that distinguishes Tesla panels? We'll tell you everything you need to know about Tesla Solar in this video. But first, please like and subscribe to What's News, and then sit back and relax. Tesla announced its plans for solar power in 2015, and the company's first solar panels hit the market 2 years later. Now, in 2021, dozens of people across the United States have installed Tesla solar panels. These panels are considered to be some of the most affordable systems you can buy. The company claims this is due to its streamlined ordering, design, and installation process. However, there are critics who claim that it is because Tesla uses cheap materials for its solar panels. But given the wealth of information that you can find on thousands of web pages about Tesla solar panels, in this video, we show you their pros, cons, how they compare to the competition, and how they compare to the increasingly popular Sunroof of the company. Pros of Tesla solar panels. In general, Tesla solar panels sound pretty good. In this section, we present some specific benefits of having Tesla solar panels installed in your home. Long-term savings. One of the biggest benefits of solar energy in general is the money you save in the long run. By harnessing the sun's energy, you can lower your utility bills and supplement your electricity usage with solar power. With Tesla solar panels, you save even more money because the panels are relatively inexpensive to purchase and install. Tesla does all of its own installation and design, so you don't have to pay one company to make your panels and another to install them. Sustainable energy. Solar power is one of the greenest energy options available. While the power grid relies on natural gas, coal, and nuclear power, Tesla solar panels simply rely on the sun. Even if the panels don't fully meet your energy needs, you can still rely less on the power grid. Produce your own electricity. Electricity prices have risen steadily over the last few decades, and that trend shows no signs of reversing. If you're tired of seeing your utility bill go up year after year, it may be time to take charge of your electricity needs. With Tesla solar panels, you pay for the cost of installation and the panels themselves. That's it. It may take some time, but eventually, the panels will probably pay for themselves with the amount of money you save on your utility bill. Instead of throwing money away every month, wouldn't you rather invest in a clean, renewable source of electricity that allows you to get rid of your electricity bill? Never worry about power outages. If you choose to pair your solar panels with a Tesla Powerwall, you'll be able to harness extra solar power on sunny days and store it for later use. This means that even if the grid goes down, you will still have power available. Tesla solar panels and Powerwall units are easy to use together, though it's worth noting that Powerwall is only covered under warranty for 10 years, so you'll likely need to buy at least 2 to last the life of the panels. Solar panels. Cons of Tesla Solar. As for the negative aspects and problems of the Tesla Sunroof, it all starts after the purchase process, since, apparently, there were delays in receiving and installing it. Then, to this, we must add that the installation is carried out in about 2 weeks and with about 20 people in the process, and that due to problems with the connections to the network by the electric company, not Tesla, in many cases the complete installation was delayed another 2 months. As an explanation for these drawbacks, it must be said that Tesla Energy has faced a significant drop in sales of solar energy products compared to what SolarCity sold, which may be due to the change in marketing mentality. Since at SolarCity he was doing door-to-door selling, with a retail focus driven by a large base of salespeople who worked on commission. Tesla decided to end the option of independent sellers and move everything into its stores, where demos of Tesla Energy products, including the solar roof, were offered. But the big problem here was that, at least in the United States, few people are interested in going to the stores to buy renewable energy solutions for the home, except for solar panels. In addition, all this was offered within a small section of the Tesla stores, where their cars are the protagonists. Another important point to keep in mind is that Tesla solar tiles require changing the entire roof of a house, which limits its scope to only those people who need to make this change. Otherwise, solar panels are still a better option. as well as being cheaper and easier to install. Additionally, based on early estimates, most homeowners also agree that the Tesla solar roof only produces 3/4 of the level of electricity compared to traditional solar panels. Cost of Tesla solar panels. Tesla solar panels cost $2.01 per watt before the federal solar tax credit, which is cheaper than the national average cost of solar power. After the solar energy tax credit, the cost per watt drops to approximately $1.48 per watt. Tesla has made shopping for solar panels as easy as buying a new t-shirt by offering standardized solar system sizes: small, medium, large, and extra large. Next, we present to you the list of the sizes of the system and their costs. $8,452 for 4.25 kilowatts, $17,083 for 8.50 kilowatts, $25,625 for 12.75 kilowatts, and $34,167 for 17 kilowatts. Warranty. Tesla arguably makes some of the more eye-pleasing solar panels than other companies. When you think of solar panels, you probably imagine big flashy rectangles that destroy the appearance of your roof or patio. But with Tesla, it is not like that. Tesla solar panels come in a variety of sizes, so you can choose the best one for your home. They have a sleek appearance with very few gaps between each panel. They are typically mounted near the bottom of the roof, and Tesla's unique mounting system has rounded side edges for a low-profile, natural appearance. Slim and designed to blend in with the surrounding ceiling, the panels are all black. For optimal sustainability, they may be simply integrated with other Tesla devices, and you can monitor your energy production using the Tesla app. A wonderful warranty is also included with Tesla solar panels. The workmanship and performance of the panels are covered under the warranty, according to Tesla's website. Tesla offers a 10-year warranty on the entire system and promises that its solar panels will endure for 25 years. In the event that a panel or system malfunctions while still covered by warranty, Tesla will make repairs at no charge to you. Why are Tesla solar panels so cheap? One of the factors contributing to Tesla's low prices is their simple ordering process. Additionally, it is really beneficial when people recognize your brand to lure users to its website. Tesla doesn't need to put in a lot of effort. Tesla is well known, so people immediately turn to it. This reduces a significant amount of overhead costs that many other solar companies suffer, along with the fact that their buying process is entirely online, and they only provide 4 common system sizes. Not to mention, Tesla is a great business, so they can afford to discount their panels and absorb a tiny loss at the beginning of the transaction. Tesla solar roof tiles versus solar panels. A couple of years ago, Tesla caused quite a stir with the introduction of its solar roof. Made up of small tile-sized panels, the solar roof is a fantastic option for people who want to benefit from solar power without the ugliness of traditional solar panels. Here are some of the pros and cons of a Tesla solar roof compared to regular solar panels. Sunroof has smaller panels. Tesla's solar roof is made up of solar and non-solar roof tiles. They all look the same, and he can choose to have as many solar tiles as he needs for his house. Solar panels are essentially small, discrete solar panels. They work the same way regular Tesla panels would work. Because the panels are so small and look just like other shingles, it won't look like you have solar panels on your roof. They will blend in with the surrounding tiles, giving your roof a sleek, modern look. Any roof can use the sunroof. Some roofs, whether because of their size or shape, are just not suitable for solar panels. You can benefit from a solar roof instead of conventional panels if your home has one of these roofs. Solar shingles can be dispersed throughout the roof wherever it is most practicable to do so because they are tiny enough for small houses. Size, direction, and shape are irrelevant. Any house can employ solar roofing. Sunroofs are expensive. The cost of Tesla's solar roof is much more than that of standard solar panels. However, keep in mind that you will have a brand new roof in addition to installing solar panels on your existing one. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, the subscription button, and the notification bell. To get notified when new videos are uploaded from this channel, please share your thoughts about the valid reasons not to buy a Tesla in 2023 in the comment section below. Thank you.